Hello and welcome. If you're interested in reenacting the Texas Revolution era Mexican Army, this video is for you. If you're a beginner in the hobby, you're in the right place. If you consider yourself a veteran, you'll still want to stick around, as many new discoveries have changed our understanding of the Mexican Army uniform within the last 5 years, and we'd like to keep you up to date. Today, I'll show you the ground level soldier, one that holds no rank in the minimum necessary dress for battle. The uniform of the Mexican infantryman in 1835 was a dark blue coatee with red facings. The tails were relatively short, and the waistline sits high at the natural waist. The coatee should have 7 flat brass buttons on the front and 2 on the back. Some coatees also had 2 buttons to close the back of the cuff. On the shoulder there is a blue cloth strap and a cord loop so that a red wool epaulette can be worn, hooking onto the cord loop with a hook and eye. Then, we have a pair of high-waisted cotton canvas trousers, which are also very tall, extending beyond the waistline. These will be held up with a set of canvas suspenders. Then for footwear, a pair of smooth black leather shoes with laces. Some soldiers also wore simple leather sandals or leather ankle boots. For your undergarments, you should have a white linen shirt with a tall collar and a black velveteen neckstock. For your headgear, you'll wear a black leather shako about 7 inches tall with a round and angled visor. For details on how to construct your own shako, click the link in the description. Each shako should have at least 1 metallic gold lace at the top, a leather chin strap with brass scales, an oval brass shako plate with the national emblem on it, cotton cords, and a wool pom-pom. Some battalions also wore a tricolor brass or leather cockade with a button and braided cord loop. Depending on the type of soldier you want to represent, your pom-pom and cords will change color and shape. A basic fusilier will wear a tall tricolor pom-pom and yellow cords. A grenadier will wear a round red pom-pom and red cords. And a rifleman will wear a tall green pom-pom, green cords, and additionally, he may wear green epaulettes. The equipment for each role is relatively the same. All of them will wear a smooth black leather cartridge pouch with 2 tin boxes inside, and insignia on the flap that indicates their role, as well as a bayonet baldric, both of which are made of white buff and neither has an adjustable buckle. Both riflemen and grenadiers are issued with a double frog baldric that can hold their bayonet and a French infantry briquette. Depending on your chosen battalion, you can choose to wear a brass crossbelt plate on your cartridge pouch strap that will bear the initials of your battalion. All 3 types of soldier are armed with the British India pattern musket, more commonly known as the 3rd pattern Brown Bess. The exception to this is the rifleman, who may instead carry a Brown Bess carbine or the British Baker rifle, and wear the appropriate black leather waist belt, sword bayonet, and cartridge pouch. Now, you're ready to fall in and march on to Texas. In another video, I will outline rank distinctions, so if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.